Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Miro, full guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Miro from your computer, begin by closing the application if it's currently open. Locate the application icon on your desktop or in your taskbar. Right-click on the Miro icon and select Close or Quit to completely exit the program. Next, open the control panel on your Windows computer. To do this, click on the Start menu and type Control Panel in the search bar. Select Control Panel from the search results. Once in the Control Panel, click on Programs or Programs and Features. Scroll through the list until you find Miro. Select Miro by clicking on it once. Once it's highlighted, look for the Uninstall option at the top of the window. Click on Uninstall to begin the removal process. Follow the on-screen prompts to confirm the uninstallation. Once the uninstallation is complete, restart your computer to ensure all changes take effect. For Mac users, start by closing the Miro application. You can do this by right-clicking the Miro icon in the dock and selecting Quit. Next, open the Finder application. In Finder, navigate to the Applications folder from the sidebar. Locate the Miro application in the Applications folder. Click and drag the Miro icon to the trash bin, or right-click it and select Move to Trash. To completely remove Miro from your system, right-click the trash bin and select Empty Trash. Finally, to ensure all residual files are gone, you may use a cleaning tool or manual. After completing these steps, Miro will be fully uninstalled from your device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.